Hi, Brian here. I've got your workout for Saturday, April 4th, and we're gonna start the day out with 6 sets of 12 push-ups with a towel slide. You're gonna get down onto a slippery surface, either a hardwood floor or laminate or linoleum, and you're gonna place a towel beneath one hand and place the other hand directly on the floor. You're gonna get into your high plank position, the top of the push-up, and as you lower yourself, slide the towel forward, and as you push yourself away from the floor, slide the towel back up. This is basically an assisted version of a one-armed push-up. It's really going to challenge both your midline stability, and it's going to challenge that side that's on the floor, not the side that's pushing the towel. You're going to do 3 sets in each arm, so alternate the towel side for each set. Once you're finished with that, you're gonna do 6 sets of 12 tricep dips. You can do these off of a bench or a couch, like we did them last week. If that's hard on your shoulders, you can place a chair on either side of you, which is what I did. And if that's not challenging enough, you can also do a full body weight dip between 2 chairs, which I'll illustrate for you in a second. Once you're finished with your push-ups and dips, the workout for the day is going to be 6 rounds for time. It starts off with a 100-meter carry, push, or pull. You can pick up anything that's heavy. You can use a bag of salt or dog food. I've got a 5-gallon bucket that's filled with water that weighs about 40 pounds and a 25-pound bag of dog food. And I'm going to be carrying both of those things. You can also load anything that's heavy into a wheelbarrow, push that. You can put your kids into a wagon and pull that behind you or push that, as long as you're moving something heavy for about 100 meters. That's what we're looking for. That's going to be followed up with 30 sit-ups, nothing special there, and then 30 lunges. That's 15 each side. You can use dumbbells or your kettlebell for the lunge, or you can pick up whatever you were using for the carry if you were actually carrying something and not pushing or pulling anything. This workout, especially in the later rounds, is really going to challenge your core as you have to hold those heavy implements and walk with them. So make sure you're bracing well. If you're carrying something on one side primarily, make sure you switch it every round, and make sure you're standing up tall with your shoulders back as you do this. Make sure you're not slouching over going through it. I hope you all have fun. Here are a few examples, and stay healthy.